Hello, Justin.
Hello.
What are you doing out here today, man?
We skydive.
Nice. This is the first time?
Second, but it's been like 5 years.
Okay. Any special occasion for coming to jump today?
She's visiting and she needed a buddy.
And who's that over there?
My girlfriend.
Hey.
Hi.
You're nervous, excited, all the above? Yeah. All right. Well, we're gonna head out there in a few minutes. Anything you want to say to friends and family back home watching this video?
I'm looking forward to doing it. I hope I make it down okay.
All right. See you out there. Fun with. Justin!
Hey, what's up?
Can I give you a hand on up, man?
Oh, I appreciate it.
So tell me, what do you think?
It was awesome.
Yeah?
It was the coolest thing. Yeah, that was sick.
What was your favorite part?
Right before jumping out, just like looking down and getting ready to go. That shit was awesome.
Okay, man. You gonna come back and do this some more?
Hell yeah, dude.
Hey, I look forward to seeing you back here at Skydive DeLand. Nice job.
Thank you, man.